Human beings have invented a lot of ways to make a living. We often boast of our superior intelligence that enables us to shape our surroundings to fit our complex social systems. We're builders and we're wreckers with an incredible ability to change our environment in order to survive. But you don't have to look far to find countless other creatures just as capable as we are. They're right under our feet.
Masters of survival. Champions of deceit. They will trick you with their clever disguises. A fatal embrace. A desperate struggle. Hollywood has nothing to rival the real thing. August 7th, The Bugman of Ithaca.